I don't even care what it is. It's just everything is so beautiful when I touch it. Without context, if you just tuned in, we're talking about a microphone kit. So today we're going to take a look at the Scarlett 2i2 Studio, which has a dual XLR input. And this is a cool kit that comes with some extras, headphones, and a extra condenser microphone. So let's take a look. Now, I wish I had a tool to, slice this, but it's like if you don't have that tool, you feel bad about how you open the product. And then the next person gets it. It's like, what a fucking guy did that, eh? So hopefully I don't return this because I'm really excited to. Now, how beautiful is that? Packaging is a lot of the things that like Apple does and ProArch, where you open it up and you're like, I don't even care what it is. It's just everything is so beautiful when I touch it. Without context, if you just tuned in, we're talking about a microphone kit. Some things are jokes that get edited out. Just kidding. Everything stays in because I don't have time to edit. I just raw dog the whole upload. So first off, we have this guy, which sounds like you're opening a diaper. Is that a burrito or is that a diaper? Same meat. You guys have been to Taco Bell. Now, my buddies are here. One on the left, two asleep because of a roofie. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm saying they're really throwing me off my A game because I'm now feeling like I'm performing. But don't worry, I'm going to edit that crap out. Note to self, don't edit that stuff out. So you have the big beefy thing that you put in. The 1 inch? How is that? Like, I guess we have gotten micro over the time. Mini, micro, nano, obsolete. So then these are two microphones. And what we want to do with it is do some Zencaster podcasting or live streaming in person with a dual microphone setup. What I like about this, I'm not sure if it's possible, is you have a USB to the computer, but then you also have another dedicated port for the power. I don't like how USB shares its core purpose with power. For me, that's almost like PoE, which kind of PMS. Because I don't know. I mean, like, I'm sure it works, but I'm like, just do what you were meant to do. Like, you're supposed to transfer data, but I'm also power. I'm also a monitor. Like, you know what I mean? Like a dedicated cable for each, for me, is quality. HDMI is sound, but HDMI is sound and video, but these are just audio. This is just transfer to the computer, and this is just power. Dedicated streams with purpose for each, for me, screams the quality that I'm looking for so I can sleep at night because of the OCD around quality. It's heavy enough to not worry about if it's reliable. Like, it would definitely dent your hardwood floor. And it's a great entry level for people that want to do anything other than nothing. A lot of people don't get a lot of jobs, interviews. They don't go well because audio, video, like, they immediately know if they're hiring you as soon as you say hello. If there's any interference, and that goes the other way too. If you have a client or a customer that calls it and they can't hear you very well, you'll lose the job and you won't even know why. And it was just a bad connection. So this is, if you're at home and you have Ethernet straight to your computer, no wireless, and then you have something like this, there's a good chance, unless you're on Starlink, if you have fiber or something like that, you're going to get that business straight away for the high level of professionalism and quality. It's kind of weird. You hear a bunch of like VHS tapes running in the background versus, okay, that's a radio show. And for $500, if you work at home and do nothing but Teams meetings when they expect you to be doing something else, and then they're like, why isn't it done? It's like, well, we had 8 hours of meetings. This is for you because you do want to have the quality if you're not going to submit your work on time because they think you work more than 8 hours. But clearly it's a trap. See, it's too much, but you guys are amping me up. You have a cable, which is the XLR one. There's one. Do they include the other one? Doesn't look like it. That is something that I don't even know what it's for, but I'm going to use it for something for sure. Not its purpose. But it has exactly what I need. Because I have a microphone that has a twist thing. That's my technical term for whatever that connection is. And this is what Written Pixel has taken, which is the box. No, I'm just kidding. The actual headphones, which is going to, it's for the monitor, right? Because you want to hear how you sound. That's how you know to like tone it down or yell. Oh man, it's like watching a raccoon get into your garbage and it's kind of tired from eating the Xanax. It's like, just open it. Friggin', how did that sperm get through? You know, your raccoon's sperm is probably black and white. Well, because they recorded it in a black and white. Whatever. See, I feel like not myself because I'm like, oh, let's show off in front of my friends that are cooler than me. Like, I'm gonna, after you guys leave, I'm gonna take a few hours to just cry it out, you know? One of the hardest parts about doing these unboxing reviews is, one, I can't see what I'm touching. It's kind of like at night, but it's bright. Look at how beautiful those are. It's so, they're so big.
Oh man, the noise canceling.
Really? Oh yeah, you fell for the jit. So for people that didn't see that, Written Pixel put these on his ears, and I started mouthing to just fake it as noise canceling. But he saw right through that because I'm one of those people that can't lie. I have a bad poker face, So they're like, okay, that won't work. That's kind of why I do these videos where you'll never know who I am. Link in description for profile photo and geolocation. Now this thing is heavy enough to throw at someone and knock them out, and you don't have to be a professional pitcher. But what's with that icon? I've never seen that in my life. It's a little sus. It's kind of like it's like a heart, but like, why is it looking like that? You tell me. Is that a normal logo of Focusrite, or do I need to Focusrite? That's the hole that you put it in, and then this is the thing that you put in the hole. I run out of ways to describe things. It's not intentionally sus. I just really have to pee, and I'm almost done the review. Fuck. Now I need her help. Thanks. There we go. I always need her help, So that's it. It's really cool. A great way to save, I don't know, probably like $400 by getting the kit, because you get these things for like 50% off. These numbers are all fabricated. It's just an estimate. But
wait, there's more.
Oh, yes.
That's the best thing.
The best thing?
Microphone stand.
Oh, the microphone stand. So this piece of engineered cardboard is not only recyclable, but you can also throw it across the room and it should glide. But no, you set up the microphone like this, and then, because you don't have a stand, so no one's going to like wag this tail around and like whatever. So this is to get you going. It's their way of saying, hey, we'll give you like a microphone stand because we only included one cable in our dual cable system. What the heck, guys? Anyhow, quality, way better than anything else for the price point. Maybe comparable to Rode is another great company. But if you're looking to podcast in person, reduce the Teams meeting, Zoom calls, but still have the quality that would be on par for a professional podcast, as you can tell from this video, the voice quality that you're hearing right now is about 25% the quality of something like this. But so a lot of this stuff I'll edit out, except that I'll leave it in. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed. There's a link to this in the description. If you use that link, you'll support the channel. Take care. Bye.